Round 2 of the Indian National Championship saw the return back to the Madras Motor Racetrack in Chennai. Team Petronas TVS Racing started the weekend strong, and Deepak Ravikumar with KY Ahmad qualifying in the front row of both the categories. Our racers lost out in the early stages of the race. However, Deepak Ravikumar fought his way back to second position. In race 2, KY Ahmad started from the back of the grid in 12th place. And fought his way to the front to finish second. And Deepak in third. In the Pro Stock 165 category, KY Ahmad started on pole, and in the first race, there was an exciting battle between our two riders. However, in the last corner of the last lap, disaster. KY lost the bike and crashed, while Deepak finished on the top step of the podium.
I had a wonderful start, leading the race till the last 2 laps. Then was leading the race comfortably, and my teammate came and fought with me for the last 2 laps. We had a very good fight.
For KY Ahmad, it was a victory of redemption.
Yeah, it was a tough race because I started from last grid. One lap I overtook them. After final lap, Raju passed me in the back straight. I overtook in the bit left. It was a good fight. We had a really fantastic fight. And thanks to my team for made a good bike, and my crew members and my sponsors. Thank you all. Thank you.
It was a mixed bag for us this weekend, but we are fueled by fire and continue to work on our machine to come back stronger for round 3. Follow us on our social media handles for all the racing action.